Since I have returned to Provence, and it pleases my lady, I will ought to make a gay song, at least in recognition. For by serving and by honoring, one conquers from a good lord. Gift and good deed and honor, who knows how to hold him dear? Therefore I must strive. And he who blames long waiting does great wrong, for now the Bretons have Arthur where they had their pledge, and I through long hoping have conquered with great sweetness the kiss that the force of love made me steal from my lady, which now she deigns to grant me. And since I never did wrong, I am in good suspicion that the torment will turn to profit for me, since the good so nobly begins, and all other lovers can take comfort from it. For with overstriving labor I draw from cold snow clear fire, and fresh water from the sea.
Without sin I have taken penance, and without wrong done I have asked pardon, and I have drawn from nothing a noble gift, and have goodwill toward anger, an entire joy from weeping, and sweet savor from loving. And I am bold through fear, and I know how to gain by losing, and when I am conquered, to overcome.
Otherwise I would have no surety, but because she knows that I am conquered, my lady follows such a reasoning, that she wants the conquered to conquer her. Thus frank humility must overpower riches, and since I find no helper with whom I can help myself against her, I pray more and cry mercy. And since I abandon myself thus entirely into her keeping, she should never say no to me. For without any holding back, I am hers for selling and for giving. And every man does great folly who says that I turn elsewhere. I would rather fail with her than conquer joy with another. Very near by my relief, I know no equal nor companion to you. For all the worthy barons are worth less under your worth. And since God
do it. Very near who you are, if it seems so to you.